Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very popular move in shuffling called the Polly Pocket. The Polly Pocket is a variation of the running man, and instead of doing it forward to one direction, I'm going to do it to the diagonals. I'm going to rotate my lower body like this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be teaching you facing the back so you can copy me exactly the way you see me. The first thing that I want you to do is to jump open with your right leg diagonal on your heel and land with both feet at the same time, like this. Boom! This is called position number 1. Again, 7, go, jump. Good. Now make sure that your front foot it's on your heel and your back foot it's on your toes. Very important. Again, 7, go position 1. Again, 7, go position 1. Again, 7, go position 1. Good. Make sure that you pivot your lower body and keeping your upper body straight forward. Okay? Pivot. My lower body is twisted and my upper body is facing forward. Okay, let's do it one more time. Position 1, 7, go, jump. Okay, from here, I'm gonna jump on my front leg and bring my back leg, which is my left, up. While I jump, I pivot my whole body back straight forward. Boom! Good. Again from here, position number 2. Again, position number 2. 2 more times. 7, go, jump. Again, 7, go, jump. Good. Now we're gonna do position number 1 and 2 together. 7, go, position 1, position 2. One more time. 7, go, position 1, position 2. 7, go, 1, 2. 7, go, 1, 2. 2 more times. 1, 2. Last time. 1, 2. Great! Can you guess what's gonna happen next? I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. I finished here and I'm gonna jump to my right diagonal on my left heel. It's gonna look like this. Boom! Okay, so I was here, we finished here. I'm gonna say 7, go. We're gonna land to the other side. 7, go, position 1. Make sure that your left foot is on your heel and your back foot it's on your toes. Okay? Again, 7, go, land. From here, I'm gonna go into position number 2, where I jump on my left leg and bring my back leg, which is my right leg, up. Jump! Good. Again from here. Position number 1, 7, go, jump. Again. 7, go, jump. Again. 7, go, jump. Last time. 7, go, jump. Good job, guys. All together now, 8 times. Right and left. Right and left. Okay? Slowly. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6, and 7, and 8, and good job, guys. I know it's a little bit harder to practice slow because then you really have to use your core, right? You have to stay and hold your body. But once you will get the move, we'll be able to practice it a little bit more faster, and that would be easier for you. All together, 8 times. 7, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go over some tips that can really help you. As I mentioned before, you really want to make sure that you land with both feet at the same time, okay? Together. 1, together. Also, don't forget to rotate your lower body while keeping your upper body straight forward. Okay, very important. I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm not letting my whole body to rotate from side to side. No, no, no. Keep it forward. Okay, I always push my shoulder to the front. Another tip that I have for you is, again, to take your body slightly forward. That way, I personally feel that I have more control over the move. So I can do it like really clean and really sharp. Boom, boom. I push my body forward, and that way I can land with both feet at the same time. In terms of the arms, I like to keep my arms near my body like this. I feel like it's really clean and nice, but you can do whatever you want with your arms. You can point to the sides. You can roll it up. You can point forward. Okay, I'm gonna show you like this, and this, or this. Okay, you can do a whole bunch of things. It's up to you. Okay, guys, practice time. We're going to do 8 times slow, 8 times a little bit faster, and 8 times really fast. Please don't worry about the fast rhythm. I'm just showing you so you can see. And of course, you can always go back to the beginning of the video and work and practice more and more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to practice this move, and I'll see you in the next one.